Hi guys, how are you? This is Sumit, and today I'm going to talk about one business that you must do. This is a low cost business opportunity, and this is about selling packaging boxes online automatically using e-commerce store, and that also in wholesale bulk quantity and to the global market. I worked with Alibaba Group China, and one industry that I explored there was the packaging box industry is really going well because of the e-commerce growth in the global market. And this is where even if you're a working professional and you have some time, you can invest your some time in starting an e-commerce business because this will give you the growth that you cannot expect in a job. And this is where I want you to invest into e-commerce business today with IIAC. If you're interested, how to make $1 million plus in profit sitting in India, being in India without buying or selling any kind of inventory, you can do it using e-commerce. Let me explore this for you. Be with me in this video till end. I'll give you the complete guidance of this plug and play business opportunity, the mentorship, as well as the plug and play store builder, the database of buyers, suppliers, everything I'll give it to you. So it's going to be a ready-made business opportunity that you should not miss out. So be with me and let's explore. So here in Amazon.com, I was just suggesting about the packaging boxes. As you can see that these boxes are already being sold. Just think $50 for this packaging boxes and that is sold by someone and 2000 sales have happened. That means about $100,000, $1 lakh, 80 lakh rupees somebody has just made by selling this cartons. This one is 4,000 sales at $26, 5,000 sales at $30, 3,000 sales, 3,000 sales at $35. What thing is common in this? These are already being sold. These are just carton boxes and not just in Amazon, but if you see Etsy.com also, here also this is like handcrafted, homemade, where people sell these things. Here also a lot of packaging boxes are getting sold. Every e-commerce company today, every startup, every offline company, whoever is into product business, they look for packaging boxes. Cartoons are not expensive. These are very cheap, low cost things which we just have to supply, and these don't have any brand also. This is a profit making business which you should be starting. See Lazada.com, this is Singapore based website. 65,000 sold, 42,000, 31,000. These are the number of sales. 24,000, 28,000, 1,53,000. This is a good amount of sales, right? 1,20,000, 1,79,000. Don't you see that if this kind of profitability you can make in a business like this, you can just do listing of these products. There are so many manufacturers who are there. Now you see this is Dubai's website, noon.com. This is Rakuten. This is Japan's website. So in all the countries, one thing is common. The product sales are happening. And for every product, whether it is a beauty care product, whether it is some kind of food product, they all require packaging. So I want to ensure you that once you start a business with me, you will get this plug and play e-commerce startup where you can simply get started with the e-commerce exports of different type of packaging boxes and cartons that are required by most of these companies today who are selling products, physical products. And here in 2 to 3 years time, you will be making millions of dollars of sales. I'm very much confident because you are seeing that already some people are making sales, they're making deals. So why not we can do? So what is my credibility? What makes me to do it? What makes me stand out of this? This is my own sales of my own e-commerce store that you can see. And you can see that I'm already doing wholesale business. I already have about 8,000 plus products listed in my e-commerce store. That means with the same process and strategies that I will be guiding you, you can also do export of products from India to the global market. Very simple strategy I'll be giving you, and you will also get your own domain name. You will get your own list of staff and your own brand, everything as your own. It's not like selling on Amazon, it's your own. What I'm going to guide you is the startup mentorship and coaching. You'll be learning about digital marketing and online sales so effective that you will be able to make some serious profits. I have done my last 7 8 years of research on e-commerce business after doing my studies, and from then till now I have fully focused and dedicated my time in exports through e-commerce. I have created this program called Certified E-commerce Professional. Everything that you are seeing here, these program contents are divided in 17 different modules. You learn about SEO, that is getting in the top of Google search, or social media marketing, creation of sales funnel, doing paid advertisements on social media channels like Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, and also marketplaces like Amazon and Alibaba and Flipkart. And you also get certifications from IIAC. All these things are included with online practical live training, which will be interactive, and you will get all this support from us. So the whole program is going to be practical and one-on-one basis. You will not be learning only, you will actually be making successful business with me. So with this program, you're getting access of mentors. That will also be an advantage, that for lifetime you'll be getting access, update and support from me. And you will also get access of pre-recorded video lectures which are created by companies like Amazon and Alibaba and Tata Group. And this access is also for lifetime, with lifetime access update on ebooks and white papers, case studies, infographics, in many different formats of content. I myself worked with Ministry of Education, Government of India, Ministry of Textile, with IS officers and many bureaucrats and academicians and politicians to export India's products to the global market. I worked with entrepreneurs who are already successful, who have raised funding, who have exited their startup, and not just in India but in the global market. So with my experience working with top companies and the affiliations and accreditations of Indian Institute of E-commerce, everything that you are seeing right now is going to transform your life. You can leverage my own experience because I worked with WTO. WTO is World Trade Organization, Switzerland, and here I was in Geneva. I was mainly working on cross-border trade, making sure that India's exports increases in the global market and we can beat China in the game. So here, what you see, that Alibaba or Amazon, all these companies have recruited me as the global director for their EGTP and ATS program because of the credibility that I have. And all these things are noted well in the document. You can check out here. You can download these documents. You can open up these agreements and you can see whether these agreements are true or not. You can actually connect with these companies also for more trust. I already have trained more than 25,000 plus entrepreneurs across India, and they are already exporting products from India to the global market. What you are seeing right now is Indian Institute of E-commerce affiliations and accreditations and the registrations of trademarks and intellectual properties. Since 2015 till now, we have already trained thousands of individuals, and we are already happy and satisfied with the work we have done for the digitalization in India and the export of India's products through e-commerce. So my highly recommendation is for you that you start an e-commerce business today, because these packaging material products that you're seeing right now, since I have shown you like 100,000, 1,79,000, 1,20,000, 3,52,000, these are crazy number of sales that you're seeing, right? If that much sales are happening for packaging boxes, I'll show you one more thing. Did this news? It's in 2007. Zhang Ying and many other people. Zhang started her business on selling the packaging boxes, and she is now a billionaire. And I'm showing you some news recently. Milan-based Whiteless raised about 2.2 million euros. Singapore Silicon Box values about $200 million. Reusable packaging platform Infinity Box, they have also raised some funding. Then another company called Box, BWX, they have raised about $9.25 million. So one thing is common, that packaging boxes will always be in demand, and this is a huge market opportunity for you. I want you to get into a business which is non-branded, which is easy to do, which doesn't require much capital, and there are suppliers, manufacturers who are already doing it. You are just making it as a marketplace, you're listing the products and you're making the sales. And you're keeping majority of the profit, because this e-commerce store that you're building is going to be with you under your brand, and you'll be making the maximum profit out of it because it is your brand. So the suppliers can be directly be contacted. I'll give you the contact of the suppliers and buyers data. I'll give you the store builder, and I will also give you the ongoing mentorship and support. So with this lifetime of access, lifetime update, lifetime support, you'll be able to build a highly successful e-commerce business with IIC. So I do not want you to waste more time thinking of what other opportunities are there. E-commerce is one of the best opportunity today for one reason. You invest in e-commerce, a small amount of money, get this business ready with me, and then you start doing the sales. Of course, when you're doing some sales, you're making some profits. Once you have some profits coming in, the e-commerce companies will be valued. I'll be doing the valuation for you. I have valuation experts who will be guiding you how the valuation of the business works. Let's say your business is valued about $1 million. Of course, if the business is valued at $1 million, you want to exit the business, you can sell it at $1 million, right? So how much invested literally is a small amount of money, some amount in ads, some amount in your own time you're investing so that you can build the business. Very small amount you're investing. Unlike other investments, what people do, where they have to have the shop, they have to buy inventories, or even if you buy something, it will be expenditure only. If you buy a car today, if you're investing something in a car, you can invest in a business which you can do as a part-time side income. Once this business is growing for you, you can scale this business. You have a choice of selling the same business also if you do not want to continue. This is a startup opportunity. This is never ever a loss-making business. You can always raise funding, you can grow the business, you can make it to the next level. How to do, what is the step that I'm guiding you, right? So learn from me the step-by-step process and build a successful e-commerce startup today itself, because time is running fast and we should be starting a highly successful business today. I want to do a business which is global, which is export, which is through e-commerce. And I want partners along with me who can work along with me in this mission of India's exports revolution. I want to see the India's growth economy, how China has done it using Alibaba. And we ourselves can do it, because there are many manufacturers who do not know how to do it, and we ourselves know how to do it. Everything I cannot do. That's why I want to recruit business partners along with me, and that's why I invite you to be part of my journey and join e-commerce with me and get started. So join. Let's do it.